Okay, so we're here with Bao. It's his first time in Colombia. So how was
Yes.
Colombia?
Whew, my first time here, and it's been incredible. It's been a very eye-opening, humbling experience. Just seeing the people, and most of all, we get to meet the farmers. That's the highlight so far.
Do you feel there's like a difference between Medellin's farms and Armenia's farms?
I didn't know at first, but when I first being my first time, now I know the difference with Medellin farm, higher altitude. There's a lot. The climate is different as well up there versus where at Progeny's farm right now. The lower altitude, a lot more flat. So the two are completely different. The types of farm, but yeah, get to see the both side and the quality that comes out from uh, both of the farms has been an experience.
Tell me something new you have learned here.
Something new. Oh man, everything was a learning experience. From the driving, the road to the culture, especially the get to meet the farmers, just seeing their life on a daily basis, what they do, everything they do just around the farm.
It's an incredible
Yes,
experience.
it's amazing. Kind of give me a different perspective when I talk to clients that the people that we get to support, we get to serve back in the states, and and now I get to experience firsthand, so I can actually get to tell from my perspective and my experience. Very humbling people. That's all they know, coffee, and now we get to enjoy the fruit of their labor, the hard work. But it gives me a different perspective, a different appreciation for the coffee.
What are you bringing back to the US?
Uh, I think a different level of appreciation for coffee. Just seeing how much they go through to produce their coffee, and that's what I'm gonna bring it back to our clients, or the people that we get to serve in the state. Just kind of relay the story, tell them how appreciative the farmers are. First of all, to see their product on the other side of the world.
So do you recommend coming to Colombia?
1000%.
Thank you, Bao.